Are you tired of fad diets failing you? It's time for a change that actually works. Millions, including top celebrities, are embracing the vegan lifestyle. Why? Because it works. First up, weight loss. A plant-based diet helps you shed pounds naturally. Say goodbye to yo-yo dieting. Next, it's about health. Reduce your risk of diabetes and heart disease with every bite. Imagine feeling energetic and vibrant every single day. And it's not just for adults. Vegan diets help combat obesity in all age groups. Everyone benefits. Plus, you'll boost your fiber intake. More fiber means better digestion and a happier you. And let's not forget the joy of plant-based cooking. Delicious, nutritious, and bursting with flavor. So, are you ready to join the ranks of glowing, healthy celebrities? It's time to make the switch. Go vegan and see what all the buzz is about.